about the wise and persuasive words of men. What exactly demonstration? So what to go and demonstrate? I pray a demonstration of God's power. Message how God anointed Jesus of Nazareth with the Holy Ghost in power. Jesus Christ was in Nazareth. Gomoya nagamandla. Amandla wasikhatha wamemezi. But uNkulunkulu zonke amandla at walk like a fresh abundant rain that flows. UNkulunkulu zobiza abantu from the north, from the south, from the west, from all walks of life. Bezophuza kunina. Your sons will come from afar. Jesus Christ was in Nazareth. The Spirit of the Lord is upon me, for He has anointed me. Moya uNkulunkulu mgcobile ukuba kushwele indaba kwabalungileyo. Ngiphulukise inhliziyo zabaphukileyo. Ngibuyise nabathunjiwe. Father, I release your grace upon this man of God. And mighty God is love your wife. And mighty God their children. Babiyele baba. Babiyele ngamandla akho. Mafika isikhathi sama stones. Umenabo. Uthe